Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Thursday, December 19th. Up and away, and a brand new record day. Well, record close anyways. The E-mini S&P added 1.8%, 1804 and 3/4, up 31 and 3/4 points. The high yesterday was 1806 and 3/4. Like I said, a record high close. Dow futures added 299, 16,109, and the Nasdaq, held back by Apple, which was actually negative on the day, was up 48 points at 3508 and a half, so still off a little bit, had a 1.4% gain. Other asset classes that were on the move, we saw the currencies on both sides ended up finishing relatively unchanged. 8025 on the dollar index had a high of 8071 and a low of 7950. The euro currency was only down 8 on the day at 137.57, but had a wide range. 138.46 was the high and 136.73 was the low. So we'll want to see which side it breaks out to next to follow through on this. Bonds did sell off. It got as low as 128.13. Again, that 128 level is a support from a couple weeks ago, the multi-month support level. So yields did push higher. 129.08 was the close, down 19. Crude oil steady but above $98 a barrel, up 59 cents, 98.06. 98.30 was the high yesterday. And gold was steady as well, up $5, 12.35. Got as high as 12.44 and as low as 12.15. So a lot of big ranges once everybody sorted out the FOMC data, and it was positive for most assets. So after the big surge yesterday, where do things stand on this Thursday morning, start a new trading day? Well, we're steady right now. People are sorting out that big move and trying to see where the next direction is. We're at 1804, down a quarter right now in the E-mini S&P. 1812 and a half was the high on the December contract from a couple weeks back that we'll want to focus on and see if it can take out. Dow futures unchanged, 16,109. Nasdaq's down 5 at 3503. The movement overnight is in the currencies. The dollar index is surging up another 42, 8067, above that 80 level that we've been talking about as a pivot. Right now, the euro currency is at 136.79, down 68. Bonds are steady, 129.12, up 4 ticks. The yield on the 30-year Treasury is at 3.9%, and the highly watched 10-year note is at 2.89%. So we're going to focus on that, and you're going to hear a lot of talk about 3%, as that's slowing the economy. Looking at crude oil, up 2 pennies, 98.07, holding above the 98 level. And with that strong dollar, where do you think gold's going? It's going down. It's down $28 at 12.07. So we've taken out those lows of the last couple of weeks here at 12.10. 11.87 was the summer extreme low in gold that we'll want to keep an eye on. So to wrap up the current action, 2 hours ago before the cash stock market opened, we're steady in the stock indexes, down 1/4 point in the E-mini S&P, and unchanged in the Dow futures after the big 1.8% surge and a record all-time close. I will see you early Friday morning for the Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.